First I'm in Adobe Illustrator. I'm gonna click File, Place, my social media sign blank. Then, so this is gonna cut out the bottom so it'll stand on top. I'm gonna want Facebook and Instagram. I don't want YouTube right now. I'll ungroup this. Alright, I don't want Twitter or Pinterest or TikTok. So we're just gonna do Facebook and Instagram. So now I'm gonna type my, actually, text, and I think so I'm going to make this for Park Ridge Living. So I'm going to copy her website and I can paste it here. Okay, there it is. This to be larger. So first of all, let's see what size this is going to be. This is, so it's almost 8 by 7 high, 8 wide. That's pretty big. So let's move this here, and I think we can get rid of the www. Okay, I'll delete that. Then I want to find the Instagram. So I'm just gonna Google it again. Okay, I found it and I copied it. So I'm going to paste it. And I don't think I need all of this. Okay, and I don't think we need the www either. I think we can, oops. Actually, want to, I can get rid of that too. I'll be able to find it. This is to just let people know. So what I want to do is I want to put her logo too, and I do have her logo in here. So let me find that. Alright, so I have her logo in, and you see it came in all kind of grainy. So I got object, rasterize, okay, and that makes it look better. We're gonna change this color. We'll figure that out in a minute. Okay, so next I want to, we're just gonna do this here for a minute, just to move it around. So now I'll make this. Alright, I'm going to play around with this and then I'll pull it back up to show you what I came up with. Okay, I got it straightened out. So I put Let's Get Social in the middle. I use the font called Feel Better, and I enlarged the Facebook and the Instagram icons a little bit. I took off all of the extra writing, the www and all that, because I think people know how to get to Facebook and Instagram by now. I grouped these together so I could try to line them up a little bit more easily with the rest of it. So I just selected everything and centered it. I changed some of these settings to score instead of engrave, because on engrave it was an hour to engrave that. So now that it's on score, it's 25 minutes. So I will take you to the machine and take a quick look. Alright, it's done cutting and engraving. So I'm going to take out the pieces and then I'm going to go spray paint it with a clear coat. Spray paint to seal up all these edges so I can paint it. So I uploaded into Cricut Design Space how I wanted this to look. That's my paint. That's my design. So this is a paint stroke that I uploaded and just duplicated and then welded it together to the size that I think would look good on this hexagon. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn everything off and then I'm gonna cut this so we can attach it to the back side of this sign so the pink will show through the back. Alright, so I added the pink vinyl brush strokes at the back and I'm just gonna trim off any little excess. I'm going to turn it around, trim off any little excess hangovers, and then that's good. Then I'm going to peel off the masking on the bottom base piece. I use this Gorilla or the duct tape. Saves my nails, even though I have none. They don't split as much when I use this stuff. It is not easy sometimes to pull off, especially those little pieces. I know this is a big one, but alright, so now try not to get my fingerprints all over it. There we have it. Are you gonna fit? Yes, you are. Now look at that. How cute. Let me see. So cute. I love it. I hope Dolly loves it too. I'm going to package it up, drop it off by her today, and comment in the links below if there's something that you want to see me try to make and craft to help you get motivated. Anything sublimation with the Glowforge, with the Cricut, embroidery, applique. Let me know. Let me know if you like this tutorial and you think it's easy enough that you could do this at home too. I think you can actually buy these blanks on Etsy or Amazon, and then you could even just put vinyl on there like Cricut. You don't even have to engrave it with the Glowforge, so that would be something to do if you don't have a Glowforge. All right, thanks. I appreciate you.